Hello and welcome, I'm Ariadna, and today we're playing We Wish You Merry Christmas. This is super beginner friendly, so once again, I'm going to be playing on the A and E string. I transposed it into D major, so we have two sharps in the key signature. The melody will start with a pickup, quarter note A. I recommend starting in the middle of the bow. If you like for this melody to sound in a slightly lower register, you can transpose it to G major by starting it on the open D string. There's a free PDF download in the description down below, so click that link if you would like to follow along with the sheet music. The first phrase will start with an open A, then followed by third finger D, D, fourth finger E, D, second finger C sharp, and then B. That is phrase one. Let's do it together. Now, there is one more B in that measure, and that's going to be the pickup to the next phrase. So, the pickup is the B, first finger on the A string, open E, E again, first finger F, F sharp, open E, D, C sharp. This measure also ends with a pickup to the next phrase, which is once again going to be an open A string. Then we have first finger on the E for F sharp, one more F, right next to it second finger for G, back to F, open E, D, which is 3 on A, and then first finger B. And the next phrase is starting with two short A's, B, first finger, pinky, fourth finger for the E, second finger for C sharp, and 3 for D to finish it off. Let's practice the first phrase again. Second phrase. Third phrase. And the last one. Now let's put it together without stops. Let's move on to the next part. Once again, it starts in the middle of the bow with the open A going up bow. Third finger D is next. We have 3 of them, and then C sharp, second finger, right under the D. Then a quarter note. D again, C, B, A. Now I'm I'm going to walk you through it again, just using the finger numbers, in case that's helpful to you. Open A, 3 on A for D, C sharp, second finger on the A, second finger again, and then 3, 2, 1, open A. The following phrase is going to be on the E string. You're going to begin by playing an up bow E, just open E string. First finger F sharp on the E, open E. Third finger on A for D. Switch that third finger onto the E string, and then open A. 2 of them. First finger B, fourth finger E, second finger C sharp, and then third finger D. Now, pay attention to how I am distributing my bow. When you have a piece with a time signature of 3/4, it's a little bit tricky sometimes, because if you have a half note and then a bunch of quarter notes, you may end up kind of a little bit stuck in one half of the bow. So try to kind of stay generally in the broader middle. Let's play through this middle section once again. I'm making tiny microscopic stops between the notes so that you have a chance to really start each note with a clean sound. Once you've gotten more comfortable with the song, you can smooth it all and connect the notes together. And finally, the last part is exactly the same as the beginning. Now, let's go down to how we can practice this to make this whole process a little bit easier. If you're really just picking up the violin for the first time, I would recommend working on the bow arms separately from the left hand. In this case, you can practice the rhythm of the song using the open A string. It's going to look and sound something like this. This gives you a chance to pay attention to whether your bow is moving straight, parallel to the bridge, listen to the sound, look in the mirror, and check your posture. It's also great for bow distribution, so that you can practice different rhythms and different note values. The other thing that, of course, you can do is also play without the bow. This is called pizzicato, when we pluck the string. To do pizzicato properly, you want to put the tip of your thumb under the fingerboard, roughly an inch or so down from the edge of the fingerboard, and use the index finger to pluck the string. This is just a quick little tutorial. If you have any more questions and would like me to record a more detailed lesson, please let me know down in the comments below. And what other songs you might want to learn. Also, I have prepared a free 15-minute practice session suitable for beginners. The link to that is down in the description below. Happy mindful practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.